Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show how to fix auto restart problem on POCO C75. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.